Good day to you children. Today we are going to read and understand lesson 5, our food. First we are going to start with warm up. Discuss in class the food you had the previous day. Write B under the food item you had for breakfast. So now we are going to write B for the breakfast. Now what we eat in breakfast? Milk, idli, bread, fruits, then eggs you eat, and all these things for your breakfast, right? So now food is very important for us, right? We need food to live and grow. Children, food is very much important for us. So we need food to live and grow. Rice, bread, rotis, pulses, fruits and vegetables, eggs, fish and meat are the different types of food we eat. Okay, so like we all like to eat different types of food. So bread, rotis, pulses, fruits, vegetables, eggs, fish and meat are very much important for our body. Food gives us energy and food makes us strong and healthy, right? It also gives us energy to work and play. So we get energy, right? And that energy we get from food. Now where does our food come from? See, you can see the picture. Here the girl is playing, the girl is studying, the boy is playing. So they all are having energy, and from where they got the energy? From the food. Where does our food come from? We get fruits, vegetables, right, wheat and pulses from plants. Okay, so children, fruits, right, apple, mango, banana, vegetables, ladyfinger, coriander, capsicum, green peas, rice, wheat, pulses, we all get these things from plants. We get milk, eggs and meat from animal. Children, milk, egg and meat, ये हमें किससे मिलता है? Animal से. Now did you know food items such as curd and cheese that are made from milk are called dairy products. Now children, जो cheese आप खाते हो, butter, curd, okay, these things are made up of milk and we call it dairy products. When do we eat? We normally have 3 meals in a day. How many meals do we have in a day? 3. 1, 2, 3. We have breakfast in the morning. When do we eat? We have 3 meals in a day. How many meals we do we have in a day? 3. We have breakfast, we have lunch and we have dinner. So we have breakfast in the morning. It is the most important meal of the day. Children, in the morning you should always have your breakfast, right? Because that is the most important meal of the day. Then you should have your lunch in the afternoon and then you should have your dinner at night. Now eating healthy. Fruits, pulses, meat, milk, eggs and vegetables are healthy food. You should always eat these things. Pizza, burger, sandwich, these are the junk food. We should eat a fruit every day. Every day you should eat one fruit. We must eat our food slowly and chew the food well. So children, when you are eating the food, right, so you should slowly chew the food. We must chew with our mouth closed. So when you are eating, you should never talk, okay? Or you should not talk when you are eating. You should keep your mouth closed and then you should chew our food. Potato chips, burgers, pizzas, french fries, ice cream and chocolates are eaten as snacks. And these are the junk food. Eating too much food is not good for health, and eating too much junk food is not good for our health. Now little scientists, food items that contains too much of fat are not good for our health. The food item which is having too much of fat is not good for our health. Now wrap up. Our food. So what we have learned in this lesson? Where does our food come from? So our food comes from plants and animals. Now what we get from plants? Fruits, vegetables, rice, wheat, pulses. What we get from animals? Milk, eggs, meat. When do we eat? Okay, so we have 3 meals in a day: breakfast, lunch and dinner. Now types of food. There are 2 types of food: junk food and healthy food. Potato chips, burgers, pizzas, french fries, ice cream, chocolates. These are the junk food which is not good for our health. Then in healthy food, fruits, vegetables, eggs and milk is there. Okay, this is the healthy food. Now we will start with evaluate. So fill in the missing letters to complete the names. We get this from plants. So we get fruits and vegetables. Second, we get this from animals. So we get milk, eggs and meat from animal. Now draw lines to match the meal with the day of the time. Lunch. So we have lunch in the afternoon. Dinner. So we have dinner at night. Now breakfast. So we have breakfast in the morning. Now come to the next page. Okay, answer in 1 or 2 words. How many meals do you have in a day? So we have 3 meals. Then what do we eat between 2 meals? Snacks. Third, what kind of food item we should avoid? So we should avoid junk food. Now answer in 1 sentence I am going to give you in your notebook. Now tick the food item that will make a healthy school lunch and cross the food that is not good for our health. Okay, apple, yes. Bread, yes. Noodles, no. Banana, yes. Chocolate, no. Burger, no. Now F, you have to make a sandwich using healthy items. Circle the items you will use in your sandwich. We are going to use breads, cabbage, cucumber, onion and tomato. Okay, now come to the next page. Things to do. Finding names of fruits and vegetable. Find the names of the following fruits and vegetables in the grid. Now circle the fruits in red and vegetables in green. First one is potato. So we are going to circle it with green color. Next one is apple. Next one is orange. Then next one is mango. So in the similar way you can circle the other names like tomato, beans, banana, onion, peas and grapes. Okay children, so we have finished the lesson. I hope you have understood the lesson as well as the matter. Thank you children. Have a good day. See you soon.